Empowering Clean Sport. That will be the theme for the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission's annual symposium on Thursday at the Turnover Hotel in Kingston. The event is expected to bring together a number of high-profile stakeholders.
The controversial Enhanced Games has been in the news in recent weeks, so it's understandable why the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, Jadco, will be discussing the issue of Jamaica's role in promoting a clean sporting environment. Among the stakeholders for Thursday's seminar is Dr. Johanna Carlo, the Director of Sports Performance with the Jamaica Lacrosse Association. She has the task of monitoring all players to ensure no one falls out of bounds to drugs.
I know the players in our player pool, and I'm going to ask you to look at me when I say this. They have the utmost respect for the Jamaica Lacrosse Association, for their fellow teammates, for their coaches, for the organization. They take it very seriously to play for Jamaica, and they will do everything within their power to compete, to represent Jamaica, their heritage, the diaspora, and this is their priority. I can tell you that with absolute certainty.
According to Dr. Carlo, banned drugs in sport is a concern for everyone striving to compete on a level playing field, and that's why it is key to manage athletes properly.
So I take my job very seriously to monitor everyone, to know what everyone is doing, cold, flu, stomach ache, twisted ankle, whatever you're going to have, we know about it, we manage it, we talk about it, and we have strategies that we like to employ to make sure that we can monitor the player, move them through the tournament, and then return them back to maybe their home team or professional team or their university team. They may be on loan to us.
And President of the Jamaica Olympic Association, JOA, Christopher Samuda, remains strident against the Enhanced Games.
I understand that there may be an impulse for monetary gain, but what we have to understand is sport is first about humanity and the progress of humanity over and above the gain and the lucre of sport. And so we encourage our athletes to have that sort of attitude and frame of mind to ensure that they are also minded of the fact that they have a responsibility to compete fairly and safely.
Clean athletes can take part in the Enhanced Games, but Samuda believes that when the carrot is dangled before the rabbit, anything is possible.
But when you create an environment that lends to an inkling for taking enhanced drugs, then those who are on the fence may very well decide that they're going to go off if the money, of course, is right. And from what I gather, it is a lot of money that is being paid. So when you have that sort of appetite before an athlete who may very well be resolute in terms of no, he's not going to or she's not going to take drugs, then the environment is there that might be conducive. And not everybody has a very strong and impregnable will.
The one-day anti-doping symposium is set to run from 8:30 to 2:30 p.m. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.
Right then, we'll take a break and come back with lots more. Stay tuned.